Hey guys, welcome back to one of my videos, and today I just want to show you my cat. So if I just turn you around here, anyway, so you might not know this, but I'm new on YouTube and I've got a cat, but I haven't showed you my cat yet. So I'm just going to show you my cat, see if you can guess the name. Is it A, Buster, B, Coco, C, Magenta? Alright, over there. Give this video a thumbs up if you guessed Magenta. Give this video a thumbs down if you guessed Buster. And subscribe to this channel if you guessed Coco, because that's her name. Look how pretty she is. Isn't she? Anyway, yeah. Anyway, so back to the video. I've got 3 subscribers and I don't know how I'm going to get more because I'm just a kid, as you probably know. So I thought I might do something different than usual YouTubers. Well, I mean something different than usual. I'm going to see if I can get my cat to come to me, okay? So if I put you here, can probably just anyway. Coco, come here. Coco. See, as you can see, hang on. She just does not do it. I'm going to see if I can get her to come to me. Coco, come here. Coco, come here. Coco, Coco. Oh, 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 oh. Coco, come here. As you can see, she won't do it. Let's try this. Coco, come here. Come here, girl. Coco, come here. Who wants to see a funny thing that she does? So when I touch her here, and here, and here, and then I tap her on the head, and then when I go like this under her chin, and go like that, and I put my hand there, she bites my hand. So I know it's like 3 minutes longer than usual, and I'm really not sure. Yeah, anyway. I just get her. I got an idea, you guys. Let's get funky. If I put this here, pick her up, and I get her here. Say hi. Say hi, Coco. Okay. So as you can see, she probably said bye, but in her language. Anyway. Peace out.